take this out, because I will. I don't like it. I'm not feeling the side part. I'm gonna have to take it out. I don't like it at all. It feels weird. Today is Sunday. Good morning. It's August 20th. I just dropped my daughter off to work and it's 8:07. I'm about to make some coffee and make breakfast. I have fish and grits for breakfast. If you know, you know. It's one of my favorite meals. I'm working on jewelry today. I haven't worked on jewelry. I'm on break from school, if you didn't know. And on my break, I love to make new jewelry and post it to my website. So I'll probably vlog a little bit of that as well. And I'm making my coffee right here. But yeah, I'm not feeling the side part. I felt like I was out of my element doing the side part, so it didn't come out right, and I don't like it. I just have it pinned up in the back. I'm definitely gonna fix that. Good morning, friends. It is Wednesday, August 21st. No, August 23rd. I was way off. I'm still on break and I'm headed to work. It's 7:06. I'm early. I woke up at 6 a.m. today. I'm trying to wake up earlier and earlier every day. I wanted to wake up at 5 because I had some things to do, but I didn't do that. I woke up at 6, which is still good. On time, because I was late to work on Monday. I was almost late to work on Tuesday. Today I'm not gonna be late. I'm gonna get my coffee and hit the road. You can't really see my nails, but this is my last set of nails before school starts. They are very pretty. Very pink and glittery and sparkly, like a girl's nail should look. Also, I did my hair over. I took that side part out and put back my middle part. The side part wasn't working for me. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think about my hair, but I wasn't feeling that middle part. It made me feel like my forehead was like really, really big, and it's already big. I didn't really wanted it to be in 3D. So yeah, let's get to work and I'll talk to you later. It's Wednesday. Today's not Wednesday. Oh my God. It's Thursday, August 24th. And I am on my way home from work. I'm so tired. It's raining and it's nasty and it's kind of chilly. I don't have a scarf. I don't have a hat. I don't have a jacket, sweater, nothing. So my hair is getting wet. It's not pouring, but it's raining hard enough to where it's like a nuisance. Headed home. I have to pick up one kid from tennis. Drop her off so she can get her nails done, because first day of school is coming up. She's a senior, okay, so the nails gotta be done, okay. And then my son is getting dropped off at soccer, so that's what I'm flying home to go do. And then when I get home, I just got some email confirmations that get out of here. Get out! Oh, no, no. Oh, Lord. He came back in. No, get out. He came back in. No. Oh, my God. Get out of here. How did a fly get in my car? Anyway, I got some email confirmations that some packages have been delivered. Somebody take my debit card, okay? Because I'm a TikTok girly. And I have been on the TikTok shop. It's so addictive. It's a really bad habit. Don't pick up this habit because you will be spending money unnecessarily. And I know, well, some of the things that I've ordered, I probably didn't need it, but two of the things I did need. And I'm gonna show you what I got when I get home because I wanted to do like a review on TikTok. But yeah, I'll show you the things that I got when I get home. So let's get these packages open. Are makeup brushes. And I got 2 of them. I think they were like $6.99 or maybe $13.99. It's supposed to be like velvet, like that's what the brushes are supposed to feel like once you put your foundation on. Cute little compact case. Snaps to open it up. Oh yeah, it does feel, wow. I forgot what the description was, but I ordered it because why not? I got a pink one and a brown one, dark brown, but it does feel very, very soft. So if you wear makeup, and I don't even wear makeup every day, but when I do, the brushes that I have, I either use my sponge or I use like these brushes, and these are the normal brushes for foundation, but they have little brush, you know, pieces inside that stick out. I mean, I'm pretty sure I can still use them, but this right here feels nice. Very nice. But this next product is the Sponge Gel brush. Oh, I can smell it already. So this one is popular on TikTok as well. This is the Honey Blossom Sponge Gel. They have another scent also, but I didn't see that one. This cleans, exfoliates, massages, nourishes, and it has extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and something else. Body wash infused buffer, and it's supposed to be like honey on your skin. So it feels nice. I can smell it through the plastic, so I'm not gonna open it. It smells really, really, really good and lightweight. It smells like powder, like baby powder a little bit, and a hint of something else, probably the honey. So I'm definitely excited to start using this. Yeah, that's the sponge, very cute. And on to the next products. Okay, so the next item from TikTok shop is something that I had my eye on it for a couple of weeks. I've been seeing the TikTok videos on it, and the reviews that people are leaving were beneficial to me and beneficial to other people as well. And I think that this is a product that if you are suffering from mental illness and you need somewhere to get your thoughts out and you need to express your feelings, that this product is for you. And I hope it's not backwards, but this is the Shadow Work Journal. Hey, I just wanted to pop in real quick. I'm just going over what the book details. I realize that not a lot of you are into the law of attraction and manifestation, but I am, and I feel like it's very helpful at times, especially when it's helping you put your thoughts onto paper. If you're somebody like me who can't really express themselves verbally, I like to write. I've always liked to write. And I didn't want this video to be very long, so here I am just giving you a little tidbit, and back to the video. I'm not judging anybody. I don't want to be judged, but you know, we all have demons and we all have things that we're fighting internally, and it comes out and it manifests itself in other ways to other people, and decisions that we make, such as spending, overspending, and what you call that, when you're spending money, what is it called? Business. What is it called? It's a word. When you be spending money when you shouldn't be spending. That's what I'll be doing. These purchases right here, I need them. So I hope you like that little TikTok haul. Like I said, I have other products that I purchased and they're coming, but they are very useful.